Gloucestershire Hospitals runs across two large acute hospital sites, one in Gloucester and one in Cheltenham. We provide care for the entire population of Gloucestershire. Our focus, quite rightly, is on patient care. Every time you want to invest in digital solutions, those investments are seen in the context of the cost of a nurse on a ward. It becomes really important to have a shared understanding of how digital solutions can bring about real improvements. Historically, patient care was provided largely on paper records. Our ambitious 5-year strategy is to have one electronic patient record where you can find out everything you need to know about your patient on any device.
Electronic patient records are really important because you can access it from wherever you need to, be it at home, in clinic while the patient's on the ward, or even a GP can access them if a patient is in hospital. It reduces medical risks. One of the prime reasons for medical errors is illegible handwriting, so it completely eliminates that.
We had to replace the data centre platform before we could build the electronic patient record system. We wanted a hyper-converged system, one that we could build on in a modular fashion. We were looking for a system that could provide us with true high availability across the hospital sites. When we found VMware Cloud Foundation, we're using the vSAN storage technology, NSX software-defined networking, and vRealize automation and vRealize operations suite. vRealize provides really deep intelligence so that we can identify and fix errors before they turn into problems. We could lose our data centre at Gloucester Royal or Cheltenham General, and we would still be able to run the electronic patient record. We don't need to take EPR down to repair any damage. LIMA were the solutions partner with VMware. I don't see how we could have delivered this project without a knowledgeable and committed solutions provider like LIMA.
We're heavily involved in the implementation for the Cloud Foundation stack. The guys at Gloucester were really forward thinking. We helped them in the migration of the existing application stacks, and they were then in a position to accommodate the rollout of EPR.
We only had 200 or 300 people with remote access into Trust IT systems before COVID. What we had to do was find a way to give people remote access so they could carry on working from their homes very, very quickly. And that's kind of where VMware came in, because we were in the fortunate position of having recently deployed VMware Cloud Foundation.
For the residents of Gloucestershire, what we need to provide for them for the future is more joined up care. We need to make sure that wherever they are being seen, that person has to hand their entire record, can understand what happened in the GP surgery yesterday or in ED last week. The key to improving care is joining up those records.